What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Jaleesa, and today's video is how I did my customer's ponytail today. So stay tuned and find out how I did it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me, please, if you like the content that I'm putting out. Make sure you also leave a comment if you would like to see something different or if you have any requests. So today's video, as I said, I'm doing a high ponytail on my customer. She requested this and I was very excited to try this for her. It was my first time trying this hairstyle on my customers, so bear with me. So what I would suggest is to mainly stick with using the Got to Be Free spray, okay? Because other products will make the hair turn white and it will leave that white residue, and we do not want that. I hate that white residue when it leaves with all the different gels and everything. So I would say stick to using the Got to Be Free spray and you'll be just fine. And also a tip is when you spray it on, make sure you dry that area fully before you move on to the next step. I didn't do that and it was still a little wet before I moved on, and now I know that I'll wait till it fully dries in order to move on to the next step. And keep in mind, I also flat ironed her hair out before I did this as well, because you don't want to do it on, thick textured hair, because it'll be harder to put the hair up into a really sleek and neat ponytail. So if you can, make sure you get that hair like at least ran through a flat iron at least one good time, and trust me, it'll make all of the difference. But once again, I thank you guys for being here. So just continue to watch and see how I did this ponytail. I think it came out really cute and she looked so cute on it. So just stay tuned and keep watching to the end of the video so you can see how it came out. So at this part, I added some braiding hair to her ponytail so I can make the ponytail look a little bit longer. So you see me adding the ponytail hair in here. It looks a little funny. I actually had a difficult time adding it in. So just bear with me. But once I added it in, I went ahead and I wrapped the hair with a black wrapping paper, and I glue the hair around the wrapping paper. So make sure you cover the hair, and wrap the paper around the ponytail. And the longer you make the ponytail, the longer your ponytail, the longer you make the braided added in hair ponytail, like I'm doing right now, the longer you make it, the longer your ponytail will be. So if you have like a 18-inch bundle, let's say, and you want it to look a little longer, just make that braid a little longer. And that's just my advice. So for this part, you see me wrapping the black tape around the ponytail. Honestly, I don't like next time I won't make my ponytails like too long like this. I'll just get like the right length bundle for it, because like when you have the ponytail in, it like you hear like a little crunchy sound. I'm not even gonna lie, and I don't like that. So I won't make the ponytail as long, and I won't use as much paper, so you won't hear that that crunchy noise. If you know the texture of that black paper, it's like really crunchy, and I hate that noise. It just irritates me. So next time, like if you don't want to hear too much of that crunchy sound, don't use too much of that paper, and just try not to get the glue on your real hair. But if you have like the weaves added in like I did, then that's fine. But try not to get the glue in your hair because it's kind of a pain to take it out. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I think this ponytail came out super cute and super sleek, and she looks gorgeous.